your shit up.
Hell, my shit don't even make noise.
Hell yeah. We about to go on a little cruise, you know, downtown. Tear that shit up. You ready?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
We'll figure it out. We'll just make videos.
Alright, you want to go to the parking garage first?
Yeah.
Alright. Hopefully the camera angle, it looks decent. But I'm running open downpipes right now on the car. So she's gonna sound a little different. And he doesn't have an AMG, he has a E50 or something. Other than that, man, we just cruising downtown Saturday night. See what's going on. Get some outside clips too. Goddamn, like a fucking Harley. Got me a bike. Got me a Harley Davidson. Oh, it's chilly. Oh, look at the lights. Catless downpipes. That's what make that whistle sound nuts. It's too cold, dude. Alright, parking garages look right here. About to be pissed when I go up in this bitch. Ooh, that sounds nuts. Just be quiet so like when we get the outside clips it sounds nuts, because these people are here, they're assholes, they'll record you and shit. It's cold as fuck.
There he is.
Does this sound good? Do you have any outside clips? Let me see. Come over here.
Well, no, I didn't record.
You didn't record anything.
Well, I recorded his music, that was it.
Oh. That's
What I got?
no, just the Audi and Subaru were right in front of me. So I just went like this with the GoPro facing right at him. Sounds crazy. If I full throttle in this building, dude, cops will come for sure. That's why I was kind of trying to like be easy on the way up. Because if I do it like on the way up or on the way down, I can do it on the way down. But the way up is just nuts.
Cost too much attention.
Yeah. But I feel like I need to get some outside clips. So let's go to the lower level and then I'll give you the GoPro. Oh my god, it's freezing. It's so loud in here, bro. Alright, I'm gonna give him the GoPro and then we'll get some outside clips. I'm taking this thing off real quick.
Turned off.